At Restore Podiatry, we're not just treating your foot symptoms, we're getting to the root cause of them. Tired of covering up your foot pain with medication that doesn't work for you? Or are you disappointed by treatment that just haven't delivered the results you're hoping for? Our mission is clear. We're focused on a natural and holistic approach. No drugs, no injection, no surgery, just a real solution with customized plan of care specifically just for you. We were made to make a difference. Our dedicated team is here to provide a personalized care that truly addresses your needs. Experience the magic of genuine care and effective treatment. Visit us today and take the first step toward a pain-free future. Let's make a difference together. Schedule your consultation now by visiting our website. Thank you.